Pranams at Bhagwan's lotus feet. Co-travelers on path of spirituality, elders, youngsters, brothers, sisters, I'm so happy, delighted to be here. I don't know what to say, how to share my joy after being here. I will just take a thread from Girish brother, Mr. Atre. He said, we have got the avatar when he comes. It's so fortunate we are, which cannot be experienced with senses, mind. It's beyond mind. And out of mercy for the devotees, non-devotees, whatever, nobody is non-devotee. For us, all of us, he takes the form. This was my very firm conviction after reading Swami's some books. I had a nice setback in my life as a student. Couldn't complete with the first attempt. So my mentor told me in that school where temporarily I was working, so Satya Sai Baba's some activities going on. So you join. Anyway, I'm not looking back. One of us have been hand-picked by Bhagwan himself. Nobody can take the credit that I did it and I came to Swami. He picks up. Okay, so he did it. I read a lot of his teachings, books. I came to two conclusions with the scientific mind. Either he is God or he is not. And as Atreji said, we have to start, we have to make a first step. But I was a little rational in thinking. Head and heart, there has to be a balance. But my head was working stronger. I said, he's telling that you are also God. Only thing is you don't know. And here is the way. You will realize. Follow his teachings. So I went to my mentor, school mentor, very senior person. Sir, this is what Sai Baba has written in his discourses. What is your opinion? He said, see, these things are okay, not very practical. But he's right now, he's here. And how can we say that it's not practical? Sir, have you put into practice before you say? He had no answer. I started putting into practice. Before I say that what he's saying, what he's teaching is not correct. I had another logical deduction. If he's not right, and if he claims that he is God, this, that, he has all the powers, omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent, by now definitely somebody would have put him behind bars. Very fact, this was in 60s, late 60s, when I couldn't complete my chemical engineering with the first attempt. So, definitely there is something which we have to put into practice and find out. I started doing that and conviction increased. Straight I'm coming to the point. In between I'll go back and tell you a few other things. But I'm just reminded of what the brother told us. In 1986, Swami allowed me to be in with the MBA students. Soon, few months later, Swami gave us interview. Then he gave some discourse, little, for all the devotees, all the interviewees, a thought came to my mind. I said, Swami was distributing Vibhuti packets. He was carrying the basket and he was distributing. I didn't have even this much akal. Anybody who doesn't understand English, मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में भी broken हिंदी में बोल सकता हूँ. बॉम्बे हिंदी you may call it as a, लेकिन मुझे प्योर शुद्ध हिंदी नहीं आती है. सो बीच बीच में जो इंटरेक्शन भगवान के साथ है वो मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा. वो मुझे भी आनंद आएगा to recall all those interactions and फिर इंग्लिश में भी ट्रांसलेट करूँगा मैं. तो मुझे मन में आया, स्वामी जी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे थे. स्वामी जी मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता हूँ? स्वामी जी, कैन आई आस्क वन क्वेश्चन? ही लुक्ड एट मी, व्हाट्स योर क्वेश्चन? आई सेड, स्वामी जी, वी हैव एक्सेप्टेड दैट यू आर अवतार. आप अवतार हैं, उसका अभी मुझे कोई डाउट नहीं है. बट आज मैं अवतार के मुंह से सुनना चाहता हूं हाउ टू मेक बेस्ट यूज ऑफ अवतार. स्वामी एज इफ मैं स्वामी जी के कोई सीक्रेट निकालना चाहता था. तो स्वामी चुप हो गए. फिर मैंने इंग्लिश में कहा, स्वामी जी, इफ यू गिव द आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन, not only we here in interview room be benefited, all those who hear the answer to this question will be benefited. Swami, I want to listen from Avatar's mouth how to make best use of Avatar. स्वामी जी डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते गए विभूति, सबको विभूति पैकेट्स. मेरे पास आए. लास्ट मैंने बोला, probably I have irritated Swami. Big bunch of vibhuti packets he took from the bag and gave it to me. बहुत फोर्स से वो विभूति के पैकेट्स के कॉर्नर से विभूति निकलने लगी. इतना फोर्स था. मैंने हाथ में ले लिए. So then he gives me the answer. 2 sentences. Love. Love is God. God is love. Live in love. Sentence 1. Second sentence. Aham karam. Aham. Aham, I is one. Atma, Paramatma, whatever you call. Akar, the form. When meets the aham, it becomes ahamkara. That is ego, आइडेंटिफिकेशन, सेपरेशन. वो ऐसा सेंटेंस बोल के छोड़ दिया भगवान ने. आई हैड टू वर्क माई सेल्फ आउट. फर्स्ट वॉज वेरी इजी, लव. देन ही हिमसेल्फ हैज सेड, स्टार्ट द डे विथ लव, स्पेंड द डे विथ लव, फिल द डे विथ लव, एंड द डे विथ लव. दैट इज वे टू गॉड. स्वामी जी एक बार ऐसे कहे कि तुम लोग आजकल सब कुछ इंस्टेंट, इंस्टेंट टी, इंस्टेंट कॉफी, इंस्टेंट, इमीडिएटली गूगल करो और आंसर, इंस्टेंट आंसर. इफ यू वांट इंस्टेंट रियलाइजेशन, फॉलो द पाथ ऑफ लव. नथिंग एल्स इज रिक्वायर्ड. बिलीव मी, love has to be pure, divine. What is divine love? In one of the sessions, Bhagwan with MBA boys, he allowed me also to be present. He said, what is love? He asked boys. Best thing is not to answer at that time because Swami wants to say something. Keep quiet. So सब लोग शांत बैठे थे. स्वामी ने एक इमेजिनरी ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ किया. He said, डिवाइन लव को 3 कॉर्नर्स हैं. One top is selflessness. Second, changeless. Third, fearless. So स्वामी जी ने चेंजलेसनेस के एग्जाम्पल बताए कि माई लव इज ऑलवेज गिव गिव गिव, आई नेवर टेक एनीथिंग फ्रॉम एनीवन. माई लव इज अनकंडीशनल. वेरी फैक्ट वी आर टुगेदर इज द मैनिफेस्टेशन ऑफ हिज लव. अदरवाइज मुझे क्या परी है, मैं इधर आके, और आप क्यों एक आदमी को सुनने के लिए आए हो कहीं से भी. इट्स प्योर लव विच ही हैज. He says, it is also my love. He has given us and we are enjoying. Then changeless. आज मैं पोजीशन में हूँ और पैसे वाला हूँ तो स्वामी का प्यार होगा, नहीं तो पोजीशन गई तो that is not divine love. और सिर्फ शब्द से बोलना, hi darling, hi sweetheart, I love you and I can't live with you, without you. It's all lip service, that's all. Real love doesn't express in words like this. Love cannot be defined. I'll give a small example of that changeless love. I think the selfless love and without any unconditional love, we have seen so many examples. चेंजलेस लव का मैं बताता हूँ. एक स्टूडेंट था, वो स्वामी के रूम का इंचार्ज बनाया गया था. ही सर्व्ड स्वामी फॉर सम ईयर्स. आफ्टरवर्ड्स उसके मन में कुछ भावनाएं आई, वो चला गया और ही गॉट मैरिड. ठीक है, स्वामी ने उसको कुछ भी नहीं कहा. देन this happened in front of me. He had already gone out before Swami allowed me to be there, 86 onwards. Then one day, one boy, quite elderly, 40s mein, late 40s or 45, he was trying to seek front row for darshan. कोई उसको मानता ही नहीं था, कुछ देने के लिए तैयार नहीं थे. एक वॉलंटियर ने पहचाना, बोले हाँ हाँ तू इधर बैठ. वो बैठे नियर द पिलर. बच्चे लोग हैं ना, स्वामी के साथ बहुत लिबर्टी लेते हैं. स्वामी का 108 नेम्स, उसमें एक 109th नेम भी ऐड किया है, पिल्लर प्रियाय नमः. स्वामी जी जब भी दर्शन पे आते थे वो पिलर को जरूर टच करेंगे, मैंने अराउंड द पिलर ही कम. सो दिस बॉय वाज मेड टू सिट नियर द पिलर. और जैसे आए, स्वामी को देखा, स्वामी ने उसके नाम से पुकारा, अरे कैसे हो. रो पड़ा. स्वामी को अभी तक मेरा नाम याद है. देन Swami asked him, how's your mother? Father ro para. Swami, my father passed away last year. Did I ask you about your father? I know. How's your mother? Or ro para. Crying, no answers, crying. Then Swami said, how's your daughter? Again, naam leke. How's your daughter? This name. He had nothing else to say. Then Swami told him, देखो रा, तू इधर से चला गया, लेकिन my love is permanent, changeless. You went away, you got married. मुझे इन्फॉर्म नहीं किया, didn't inform me. Your father passed away, you did not come to tell me. You got a daughter, you did not come and tell me. तुम जाके अपनी वाइफ से पूछो, ये डॉटर का नाम किसने बताया. मैंने आके तुम्हारे वाइफ के ड्रीम में आके बताया, ये नाम रखो. He was crying and crying. This is his changeless love, fearless. उसका भी बड़ा very nice example. When we love somebody, or when child, we love him, if he makes a mistake, out of love, I would like to correct him. My students, many times, they get good scolding from me on certain things. Just a little diversion story. एक लड़का 2005 में, MBA students, 2005 में हम लोगों ने रिकनेक्ट किया था, गैदरिंग. तो आए बच्चे बहुत प्यार से मुझे ग्रीट कर रहे थे, मिल रहे थे. Then I asked them, what do you remember? Some boys coming after 12 days, 12 years, 10 years, 4 years. One boy, he had come after 13 years. So he said, sir, I learned a lot from you, this and that. सबसे मैं पूछ रहा था, कौन सी बात आपको अभी तक याद है? That is your lesson during your stay in Parthi. So उसने कहा, सर आपको याद है, आपने मेरा नोटबुक फेंक के बोला था तू भी जा बाहर. मैंने कहा, अरे यार, कुछ मेरे से सुना ही नहीं, अच्छी बात कोई ली ही नहीं, यही बात तेरे को याद है, मैंने तेरा नोटबुक फेंका था. वो क्यों हुआ था? सो आई जस्ट गिव यू द बैकग्राउंड. लीडरशिप का क्लास ले रहा था. दिस बॉय हैड अ नाइस राइटिंग नोटबुक. बीच में एक छोटा नावल रख के वो पढ़ रहा था. वो छोटा मे बी रात को पढ़ा होगा, कंप्लीट नहीं होगा, वट एवर मे बी द रीजन, ही वॉज रीडिंग दैट. देन उसको मैंने इशारा किया, दूर से. 32 स्टूडेंट्स थे क्लास में, बट थोड़े टाइम के लिए प्रिटेंड किया कि ही इज पेइंग अटेंशन टू मी. अगेन आफ्टर सम टाइम ही स्टार्टेड डूइंग द सेम थिंग. तो मैंने थोड़ा ऐसे दिखाया कि नो, आई डोंट अप्रूव ऑफ व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, समथिंग रॉन्ग. नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन. टीचर कैन टेल द स्टूडेंट एवरीथिंग. वो बाल सफ़ेद ऐसे ही नहीं हुए. सो स्टिल थोड़े टाइम के बाद वापस वो खोल के पढ़ने लगा. मैं पढ़ाते पढ़ाते उसके पास गया. आई स्नैच्ड हिज नोटबुक एंड नावल देखा, बस उठा के दरवाजे के बाहर फेंक दिया. एंड गो, यू ऑल्सो गो अलॉन्ग विद दैट. वो कांपने लगा. एक्टिंग करनी पड़ती है टू करेक्ट देम बिकॉज मदरली लव. सो तो मैंने कहा कि तेरे को यार यही याद रहा पूरा MBA में? ही सेड, नो सर, इट हैज हेल्प्ड मी अ लॉट. इफ यू हैड नॉट करेक्टेड मी एट दैट टाइम, मे बी फॉर अ लॉट. सो आउट ऑफ लव you can even, because it is selfless love. Similarly, भगवान के साथ कोडाईकनाल में गए थे. स्वामी एक बार VIPs को भी इवनिंग्स में अलाउ करते थे, just like this. So one lady who was daughter of chief minister of some state, she was permitted. She brought the small boy, about 3-4 year old. तो स्वामी जी ने डिस्कोर्स स्टार्ट किए, इनफॉर्मल. द बॉय वॉज वेरी रेस्टलेस. तो स्वामी ने उसको इशारा किया, लेकिन बॉय सुनता कहाँ है. बड़े लोगों के बच्चे थोड़े और भी नटखट नॉटी रहते हैं. सो देन स्वामी ने वापस चालू किया डिस्कोर्स. अभी बच्चे को और हिम्मत आई. He was crying loudly, distracting mother's attention from Swami to him, and she was also caressing him. Swami ने गुस्से से बोला, both of you get out. स्वामी ने उसको, उन दोनों को निकाल दिया. देन स्वामी जी ने बाद में हम लोगों को कहा कि आई एम नॉट, दिस इज माई लव, यू शुड डिसिप्लिन योर चिल्ड्रन. सो बिकॉज आई लव देम आई करेक्ट देम, आई हैव फुल राइट टू करेक्ट देम. So this is the divine love. Love is the best way to reach the goal. And about finding the second sentence, that the ahamkaram, उसके लिए बहुत सारी भगवान ने मुझे साधना करवाई, बहुत अच्छा लगा. And finally he showed the path and the goal also. So उसको मैंने टच नहीं कर रहा हूँ, because मुझे बताया गया कि I should share more experiences rather than other things. तो मैं थोड़े बहुत experiences बताता हूँ. छोटी छोटी points मैंने लिखी थी कि क्या मैं बता के भक्तों को खुश कर सकता हूँ. क्योंकि जब स्वामी जी से किसी ने पूछा था, स्वामी हाउ टू मेक यू हैप्पी, बड़ा सुंदर जवाब दिया स्वामी ने. He said he was a foreigner. He came closer. They were supposed to perform a drama. So Swami called them. They were overjoyed. Swami, we want to make you happy, but you tell us how to make you happy. Then Swami gave a nice poem. Happy, happy, happy. You be happy. Make others happy. Then Swami is happy. So all these efforts are to make Swami happy. All of us, we are doing the same thing. स्वामी जी ने, जब स्वामी जी से एक क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था, प्लीज यू डोंट माइंड, आई जस्ट नीड, आई शुड नॉट मिस मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स. एक वीआईपी था, उसने स्वामी जी से एक क्वेश्चन किया, Swamiji, I see that this boy, he does so much work for Swami or seva very actively, और जैसे वो करके आता है तो आप उसको या तो स्माइल देते हो, पैट करते हो, ही इज़ वेरी हैप्पी. बट स्वामी जी, मैं आपको एक बताता हूँ, एक और भी बेचारा सीनियर स्टूडेंट है, रिसर्च स्कॉलर है, वो आपके लिए इतना काम करता है, यू नेवर पैट हिम. ऐसे क्यों स्वामी जी? बिलीव मी, दिस फॉर्मूला is useful to each and every one of us. Such a powerful formula. I have never read anywhere, any book, I have never heard, but you may be putting into practice without your understanding. When you understand, you'll be very happy to put into practice. फॉर्मूला था, स्वामी जी ने कहा, देखो जब कोई अच्छा काम करता है, I come, I pat him. Whatever he did, nullified. He earns 0 point from me in a spiritual balance. Then, second, if he does good and I ignore him, he gets +1 point. He gets 1 goal. Then third step, if he does good and he gets scolding from me, he gets +2. It's a very powerful formula. Now come to other side. If somebody does mistake, many times we used to make mistakes. Swami will come unexpectedly, give you nice bashing, scold you, insult you in front of everybody, depending upon what blunder we have done. So he gives the reaction, action reaction. It means जो भी मैंने गलती की nullified, माफ हो गए, zero. But if I do something wrong and Swamiji looks at me, doesn't say anything, you get -1. Because Swami allows you use your discrimination. Whatever may be the reason, he doesn't scold you, doesn't even point out that you have made a mistake, then his ego gets further raised. तो मैं जो कर रहा हूँ सही कर रहा हूँ, -1. Second stage, person does a wrong thing. Swami comes and pats him. Good boy, good boy, good boy. -2. So when you see this formula, so powerful in our lives, you do good and you don't get any recognition. Situation, the people are allowing you to put Bhagavad Gita into practice. You have a right over action, no right over the fruits of action. So you get +1. And sometimes I did so much good to him, to the company, to this fellow, and this is what he's giving back. I'm insulted. +2. Mind you, be happy that वो अपना कर्मा खराब कर रहा है, आपको तो प्लस दे रहा है. Be happy. They are your true friends. Believe me, before coming here, I was in Middle East, Bahrain. मेरा immediate boss था, वो Bahrain भी स्वामी जी ने भेजा था मुझे. मेरा immediate boss था, he used to treat me like a slave. Hey Bhavya. And he openly used to say, you people come only for money, which is true. Otherwise, who will go to odd conditions? Only for money. You get salary X, there you get 6X, 10X. So I admit, I went for money. Then, but इस बीच में मैं पढ़ती आया था और स्वामी जी ने कहा कि see God in everyone. Treat everything as God. Then I said, yes, Swami. I started addressing him. Whenever he shouts at me, I say, yes, Swami. He thought Swami means some respectable word. Yes, Swami. But he didn't know. He kept on doing wrong. Whatever good I was doing, he used to give me the reaction. Any accident happening, you are responsible, this, that. It's a long story. I don't know whether there are many points, whether you would love to hear that, how before coming to Bhagwan, how he made me go through a nice test. Okay, shortly very briefly, I will narrate. One boy, worker, operator, he inhaled chlorine. And the plant, head operator, plant manager boss, that he has inhaled chlorine and he is suffocating and vomiting and he's like hiccups. So I told my immediate boss, see, I have given you procedure that how they should handle such dangerous chemicals. But he said, it's your mistake. I said, I have given you procedure, bhai. I cannot tell them in the local language. You have to translate in the local language. So, no. तो मैंने तो बोला ठीक है अभी there's no point in arguing with him. Let me see the situation. मैं गया उधर. Boy was almost ending his life. तो मैं वो boy को हॉस्पिटल ले गया. बाहर जाने नहीं देते थे. मेरे सिवा सब वहाँ के लोकल आदमी थे, excepting me and one Britisher. He was in the engineering, chief engineer. तो मैंने उसको जाके कहा कि भाई देखो ये दिस इज द कंडीशन. He said, come, we'll go. But I said, we have no gate pass. How will you go? Then he said, I have white skin. Nobody will question me. Come, we'll go. We'll take that operator. We went to the hospital. When I went there, I came to know that there's 4 hours procedure to entertain the emergency case. By that time, I don't know what was happening in the car. I thought he's finished. Fortunately, I had a vibhuti packet in my pocket. निकाल के मैंने स्वामी जी को बोला, स्वामी अभी मेरी लाज तुम्हारे हाथ में है, इसको कुछ हो गया माने आई एम फिनिश्ड. सो विभूति लिप्स पे लगा दी मैंने. We went there. When I went there, one in the government hospital, one Indian doctor, he was on emergency ward. वो देख, अरे भाग गया, what happened, why have you come here? I said, भाई, there's no time, this is my operator, he has inhaled chlorine, please do some emergency, please. He said, come, come, come. तो उसने उसको वॉमिट करवाई, ऑक्सीजन दे दी, सब करके जब शांत हो गया, वो बच्चा ब्रीथ करने लगा, then he said, okay, now we'll fill up the forms. He bypassed all the procedure. Then जब मैं सब पूरा हो गया, in the meantime वो Britisher, he said, now you handle, I'm going back to the office. I said, ठीक है. Then this guy, I took him in a taxi back to his house. Moment I reached there, people were ready with lathis to kill me. Why? मेरे immediate boss, who was behaving very differently, he told everybody that this Indian engineer has come and he has killed our local boy. So they were ready, that they thought I'm taking the dead body. When I reached there, moment they were trying to come closer to me, I opened the door for the boy. He was lying down in the car, in the taxi. Then he got up and he came out. Everybody was shocked to see boy alive and walking by himself. His mother came and caressed him and like that. I don't know what was the custom. So she came and profusely was blessing me. Now such the blessings, Swami keeps on adding to your bag, plus points. One more similar thing happened. One lady, she was the assistant chemist in the plant. Every now and then वो late आती थी. मैंने उसको बुलाया, भाई, what's the problem? You're working for the plant and late आओगी, unless you give me the result, तो मैं कैसे plant further instruction दूंगा? You give me the result, and if you're not coming, you tell me at least. He said, no, I've got a 6-7 months old baby, son. I have to feed him, and whenever needed, I go, yes, very good. I appreciate. Mother feed is best than any beverages in the world. So, but you inform me and then go. Okay? 2-3 दिन के बाद वो वापस नहीं आई. अरे थोड़ी देर के बाद लेट आई, रोती रोती. ने कहा, what happened, madam? She said, my son is not well. Purging, vomiting, and dehydration. I said, there are so many good pediatricians here. Why don't you consult her? वो सब किया है. We have done that. There's no point now. So, because you told me to come and tell you, I came and told you that I don't know what will happen. That time, जो स्वामी ने बताया है, motherhood is common all over the world. Hindu, Muslim, Christian, anybody, माँ का प्यार सब के लिए एक ही है. So मैंने कहा, madam, if you keep one secret with you, then I have got some मेडिसिन फॉर योर चाइल्ड. मैं समझ गया 6-7 महीने का है, उसको टीथिंग ट्रबल होगा, न्यू टीथ स्टार्ट्स कमिंग. एट दैट टाइम चाइल्ड पर्जेस एंड वॉमिटिंग, डिहाइड्रेशन, इरिटेबल. हम लोगों को जब वो कहते हैं विजडम टूथ निकलता है, कितनी तकलीफ होती है लोगों को. बोला अरे यार एक दांत में तेरे को इतनी तकलीफ होती है, बच्चों को तो बेचारे को 28 दांत है, एक एक करके निकलता है. सो वी गेट इरिटेटेड दैट ये रोता है, ये अरे नेचुरली यार रोएगा नहीं तो क्या होगा, लेकिन माँ समझ सकती है. सो मैंने टू कट द स्टोरी शॉर्ट, उसको मैंने मेडिसिन दी. मैंने उसको कहा कि तुम किसी को नहीं कहना कि ये होम्योपैथी मेडिसिन, क्योंकि ये कंट्री में अल्कोहल लाना अलाउड नहीं है. ये मेडिसिन अल्कोहल नहीं है, अल्कोहल बेस्ड ड्रॉप्स शुगर पिल्स पे डाला गया है. अल्कोहल इज एवेपोरेटेड एंड नाउ इट इज अ होम्योपैथी मेडिसिन. सो शी गेव, एंड नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग शी केम dancing that everything is fine, good. Then after a couple of months I got a information that I have to go back to India, not completing the contract because something happened to my daughter who was in India, not yet come. So I wanted to go back. Then they won't permit. मेरा immediate boss, he spread that he is a technical spy in the country and he is taking away all the technology from here and India में वो पैसा बनाएगा. He is a spy. मेरे telephone was tapped, all movements were noted down. Then this young lady, assistant chemist, she comes and tells me, sir, I want to tell you one secret. Will you be able to keep it with you? I said, भाई बताओ, मुझे कोई इच्छा नहीं है आपके कंट्री के सीक्रेट्स वगैरह. तो बोली कि what do you think, who am I? I said, भाई उसके लिए तो ये लाइफ मिली है to inquire who am I. I didn't tell her because she won't understand. So बोले बताइए, आप बताओ. मेरे ख्याल से तो आप असिस्टेंट केमिस्ट, मुझे बताया गया ऐसा. They know. I am the niece of the Prime Minister of this country. Hurry, working here as assistant chemist. I am a spy in this company. Hurry, Bapre. I don't want those secrets, bhai. Then she said, I have been seeing this, the boss is troubling you now and then. If you tell me right now, I'll make one phone call, he'll be kicked out from the plant. I said, nahi babu, mera kya jata hai? So she said, this is my telephone number, personal. There were no mobiles at that time. Anytime, any problem, you just give me a ring, it will be solved. Wow. Then finally I had to go, breaking the contract. They won't let me go. They had taken away my passport and visa and they said you have to pay a fine, you are supposed to work for 2 years, contract पूरा नहीं हुआ है, you have to pay the penalty, this, that. इस बीच में मैं पर्थी गया था. पर्थी में मुझे स्वामी ने कहा था कि व्हाट इज़ योर फ्यूचर. में सब स्वामी को मालूम था तो मैंने बताया. और वो स्वामी की जो सैंड होती थी वो लेके विभूति को ब्लेस करवा के मैं जाके वहाँ वाटर ट्रीटमेंट प्लान था उसमें जाके डाल दिए ताकि सब लोगों को भगवान सुमति दे दो. वो स्पिरिचुअली दे आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड. प्लीज़. स्वामी ने मुझे कहा था तुम महीने भर में वापस आ जाओ. मैंने कहा स्वामी मुझे मज़ा नहीं आता, आपने मुझे भेजा था. लेकिन मैं उधर पहुंचा और जाते ही मैंने रिजाइन कर ली. देन boss's boss, he came and told me, why do you want to go? We have spent so much money on you to select a best engineer in Asia and you want to just go like that without completing the contract? I said, sir, family problem hai, my daughter needs me. He said, हाँ हमारे कुरान में भी ऐसे लिखा है, for sake of your child, you can do anything. I will see that in a month's time you are released from here. Arey wah, Swami's words through this mouth I am able to hear. जब मैं लास्ट जाते ही टिकट बुक करवा ली, 25th of October 1986 I was supposed to leave, लेकिन 23rd October तक कोई भरोसा नहीं था कि मुझे जाने देंगे. 23rd October मुझे कहा गया तुम जाओ, you have to settle the score in the financial director of the country. उधर गया, बोले no, you will be very heavy penalty, tomorrow you come, we will tell you. Okay, मैं गया, एक बड़े मुझे कहा गया कि no, your papers have gone to the sheikh of this country. मैंने कहा, उनको सीधा बोल दिया in हिंदी, अरे sheikh of all the sheikhs, he has told me to come back in a month's time. Let me see who prevents me going from this country. ठीक है, मैं कल आऊंगा. गया तो एक बड़े वो ड्रेस किए हुए फाइनेंस डायरेक्टर खुद आया. पहले आके मेरे को पासपोर्ट दिया. He said, you can go, बाइज्जत तुम जा सकते हो. Here is the first class air ticket for you and your family. Here is the bonus. I said, I have not completed the contract for 2 years. No, we have made all the inquiries about you and so positive. Sheikh of this country is so happy with you that he has given you bonus. And he told me to convey to you the doors of this country will be always open for you. You come anytime. I said, wow, this is the power of Sheikh, of all the Sheikhs. So this is how Swamiji allowed me to come here. I'll share one or two more points. Very lighter one. एक बार मैंने पेपर सेट किया, क्वेश्चन पेपर फॉर द CI टेस्ट, एंड वी हैव टू गिव द क्वेश्चन पेपर टू द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. तो उन लोगों ने, दे यूज्ड टू सैक्लो स्टाइल, एट दैट टाइम ऐसे जेरोक्स वगैरह नहीं थे, दे हैड टू सैक्लो स्टाइल send on a particular date the question paper and the answer books for the boys to be. I had forgotten, it was Sunday morning, boys had come to darshan, for Sunday morning darshan, and Swami started asking, what exam tomorrow? Boys से पूछेंगे कौन सा एग्जाम है कल. तो थोड़े कुछ बॉयज बिफोर दे कुड गिव आंसर, स्वामी ने मेरे से पूछा क्या एग्जाम. स्वामी, टुमारो इज अ प्रोडक्शन मैनेजमेंट जो मैं ले रहा था, उसका एग्जाम है स्वामी. आई रिमेंबर, अरे हाँ, कल उनका प्रोडक्शन मैनेजमेंट का एग्जाम है. तो स्वामी जी ने कहा, नाउ ही इज टेकिंग माई एग्जाम. What is production management? I said, Swamiji, production is actually manifestation of the planning, thinking, and it's so no. He was not satisfied with the answer. मैं चुप बैठ गया. He said there are 5 life breaths for the industry. जैसे इंसान के लिए 5 life breaths होते हैं, वैसे for any industry there are 5 life breaths: production, collection, connection, then direction, and one more was production, collection, collection, connection, then direction. No, one more was there. Anyway, I'll come to that. So 5 life breaths. Then Swamiji said, नहीं, Then I started smiling. Because, yes, same input I had given in the class. When Swami had given discourse on, mind you, Swami can talk on any topic under sun. On production management, 1 full hour he took. And any person listening to that will be in even worldly way. So I had given that input to the students. And मैं हंस रहा था कि जो मैंने क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट किया है उसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन यही दिया था मैंने, और स्वामी जी बच्चों को उनका आंसर बता रहे हैं. हाँ, प्रोडक्शन, कलेक्शन, प्रोटेक्शन, कनेक्शन एंड डायरेक्शन. These are the 5 life breaths. So एक एक करके स्वामी एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं जो डिस्कोर्स में इतने साल पहले दिए थे. तो मैं और भी हंस रहा था स्वामी ये तो. और सम बॉयज दे वर स्टिल बिजी रीडिंग, थोड़े दूर थे. अरे अवतार का एक एक वर्ड इज यूजफुल इन आवर लाइफ. सो जो सुन रहे थे मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही थी. नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग फर्स्ट आवर मैंने उनको बताया, एग्जाम्स था मेरे ही सब्जेक्ट में, वही पेपर. तो जस्ट टू लाइटन अप देयर माइंड्स मैंने कहा कि देखो भाई, कल भगवान का आपने सुना ना इंटरेक्शन मॉर्निंग में संडे. स्वामी गेव यू द क्वेश्चन एंड द आंसर. वेरी फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इट्स व्हाट आर द 5 लाइफ ब्रेथ्स ऑफ, एंड out of 25 marks, 15 marks I have kept for that question. So boys were very happy, those who listened and those who did not, they were feeling, अरे यार हम लोग खाली पढ़ रहे थे, ये तो स्वामी ने क्वेश्चन भी बता दिया, आंसर भी बता दिया. So हो गया एग्जाम. इवनिंग को हम लोग गए दर्शन के लिए. स्वामी जी इंटरव्यू पूरा करके सीधे में मेरे पास आए और सीरियस फेस, भाग गया चोर, भाग गया तुम चोर चोर. यार मैंने आपकी क्या चोरी की है यार? चोरी करने के लिए सब है, आपका जो भी लो चोरी नहीं है, वो दिस इज आवर, हमारा हक है. लेकिन क्यों ऐसे आप मुझे बोल रहे हो? तो नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन में स्वामी के मुंह में देखा भी, क्या क्या मैंने चोरी की है? इसे तूने आज पेपर लीक किया. If it were anybody else, I said, यार तूने ही तो लीक किया, मेरे को तू उल्टा चोरी और सीना चोरी मेरे को पकड़ रहे हो, मैं चोर हूं. तो मेरे को कहते हैं कि देखो बेल नहीं बजा था अभी, बेल बजने के पहले तूने पेपर सबको क्वेश्चन पेपर बता दिया कि फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ये है. नहीं, I said, yes, so technically you leak out the paper. He's always right, but the idea was to show me his omnipresence, omniscience, omnipotence. फिर कहा कि not only that, तूने second question लिखा था, उसके और मैंने either this or second question आपने लिखा था, तूने लिखा है कि what is the definition of manager, MANGER? Applying that definition given by Swami, how can you say that the person will become the best production management? Nahi. I said, हाँ Swami ji. Then he said, where am I? Did you tell me this? So when Swami ji was physically also there, he used to teach us that he is omnipresent, omniscience, omnipotence. If we take this, we'll never make a mistake. If Swamiji is sitting physically, if I can see, will I say anything which is wrong or which is not right? So always we have to consider that he is with us. बच्चे लोग बोलते हैं सर कैसे होगा ऐसे कैसे? I said first you pretend that Swami is sitting with you. Imagine, pretend. Then tend towards that. Finally end with full conviction that he is with you. Now, based on that, 1 or 2 simple other points. एक बार दिसंबर 1997 की बात है, स्वामी जी ने वो किया था क्रिकेट मैच, इंटरनेशनल क्रिकेट मैच. प्लीज यू हैव टू टेल मी इन एडवांस अबाउट फ्यू मिनट्स. देन इंटरनेशनल मैच, उसमें बड़े क्रिकेटर आए थे, अभी तक स्वामी को डिवोटीज हैं. लाइक अ चाइल्ड ही विल बिहेव. वो इंटरव्यू पूरा होते ही बाहर निकलते थे और टीचर्स बैठे होते थे. स्वामी यूज्ड टू यूज भाग्या एज वन इंस्ट्रूमेंट. He said, भाग्या वेयर आर यू, एज इफ ही डजंट नो, बट ठीक है ड्रामा करने दो. तो आए, भाग्या मालूम ये जो क्रिकेट मैच होने वाली है ना 30 दिसंबर 1997, वो अभी परमिशन मिली है, वो लोग सेटिंग किया है कि इट विल बी ब्रॉडकास्ट ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, टीवी में आएगी. वो टाइम पे इट वाज नॉट, टेक्नोलॉजी वाज नॉट डेवलप, सो दे हैड टू ब्रिंग लॉट ऑफ इक्विपमेंट इन बिग ट्रक टू सेट अप दिस. अभी तो ये कैमरा और पूरा वर्ल्ड में लाइव भी जा सकती है, वो टाइम ऐसे नहीं थे. स्वामी ने वो सेटअप करवाए. सो लाइक ए चाइल्ड, देखो अभी सब लोग देखेंगे ऐसे स्वामी जी, यू हैव, मान गए स्वामी जी, योर वेज एंड मीन्स टू गिव योर दर्शन टू ऑल द पीपल ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड, दे कैन हैव योर दर्शन. नॉट ओनली दैट, दर्शन होगा, देन they will see the cricket ground. First time the international cricket match is being played, and then they will come here. See, beautiful way of whatever field you are a cricketer, you are a fan of cricket, they will be pulled towards you. What fantastic, Swami. This is the way the millions of people will get moksha, the self-realization. He said, hey, I don't want quantity, I want the quality. Only few will get self-realization. I said, Swami, during your avatar road, I know so many. He said, no, only few, to be counted on fingers. I said, why, Swami? Ordinary guru, he can take so many people in the boat to make us cross the ocean of samsara. Why only few? You have unlimited capacity, Swami. He said, no. Because my question was, during Avtarhood, all will get. He said, no. Then, Swami ji ने बड़ा ड्रामा प्ले किया. Because वो स्पोर्ट्स मीट के लिए प्रिपरेशन भी चालू थी. जनवरी 11 होती है स्पोर्ट्स मीट. स्वामी ने कहा कि लास्ट संडे तुम लोगों ने, टीचर्स ने मेरे कहने पे गेम्स प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे. हाँ स्वामी जी. लास्ट संडे पे मॉर्निंग में कौन सी गेम की, तो मुझे याद नहीं था. स्वामी ने बताई, इन एक्ट. स्वामी बोले, देखो एक लाइन लगाई गई थी बहुत बड़ी. ऑल द टीचर्स, अबाउट 150 टीचर्स और सो, वर मेड टू स्टैंड, एंड देयर वाज अ गोल. फ्यू बॉयज वर स्टैंडिंग देयर, एंड यू वर टोल्ड कि विसल बजाने में विल गिव यू 5 मिनट्स. 5 मिनट में जो उधर पहुंच गए उसको प्राइज मिलेगी. नो कॉम्पिटिशन, हुसवर 1 2 4 10 20 नहीं. वो आप लोगों ने वो गेम किया ना. हाँ स्वामी जी. कितने आए, कितने पहुंचे वो 5 मिनट में? ऐसे स्वामी जी, एक फुली पहुंचा, दूसरा अभी पाँव रख रहा था तो विसल बजी. बट इट इज कंसिडर्ड एक्चुअली एनीवे. सो मैंने कहा, स्वामी दूसरा भी काउंट किया जा सकता है. हाँ, कितने टीचर्स है तुम लोग? स्वामी 150 ऑड. कितने पहुंचे? चलो दो पहुंच गए. फिर तुम कैसा बोल सकता है सबको सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन मिल सकता है? अरे स्वामी, मैंने मन में सोचा, ये क्या तुम एग्जाम्पल दे रहा है यार, कॉक एंड बुल स्टोरी. इसके लिए पहुंचे नहीं तो अवतार विल नॉट गिव द सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन. क्या है? सो स्वामी ने कहा, देखो बिकॉज ही इज अंतर्यामी, यू डोंट हैव टू स्पेल इट इन वर्ड्स, ही नोज व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन द माइंड. देखो तुम लोग सब इधर खड़े थे. हाँ स्वामी. विसल बजी। फिर क्या हुआ स्वामी, ऑल ऑफ अस वी ट्राई टू रीच द गोल। फिर क्या हुआ, जब विसल वापस सेकंड विसल बजी, स्वामी जी काफ़ी लोग पहुंचने वाले थे, नहीं पहुंच सके। थोड़े लोग मिडिल में ही थे, थोड़े लोग बेचारे सीनियर थे, वो तो कुछ स्टेप्स के बाद धीरे धीरे चलने लगे। स्वामी जी एक दो तो गिर गया। आई नो because gentleman, he was putting his dhoti inside. Swami then was enacting that I know. So then Swami said, देखो विसल बजी, बाद में क्या हुआ, सब लोग आगे बढ़े, कोई भी वो जगह पे था नहीं स्वामी। लेकिन विसल दूसरी बजी, कितने पहुंचे स्वामी? 2। बाकी को everybody progressed. Don't say that nothing happened. They didn't get realization. If they continue to walk, there is a goal clarity. During my avatarhood, only few will get realization. If you continue the path which I have given to you, everybody can reach. Time will be different. I say, wow. What a wonderful example. Then, similarly, एक बार स्वामी जी वृंदावन में, इट वॉज सैटरडे, हम लोगों के साथ ऐसे बातें कर रहे थे, और आई कैन टेक हिज नेम, ही इज नो मोर, बट हिज सोल वुड बी listening and feeling happy that we remember him, Dr. Safaya. He was the director of Satya Sai Institute of Higher Medicine, Super Specialty Hospital, जो 91 में स्वामी जी ने बना के चालू किया था। तो वो आए थे, इनिशियल ईयर्स थे, दिस वाज मस्ट बी 1992, क्योंकि नवंबर 22 91 में चालू किया था स्वामी ने। सो देन वो आया था बेचारा अपने अकाउंट्स के लिए। ही हैड नॉट मेड द पेमेंट फॉर मेनी सप्लायर्स ऑफ द मेडिकल डिवाइसेस एंड ऑल द requirements. So he had a few lakhs. Every month expense was some 2 crores or so. Every month, mind you. Free operations and all is not that easy. So he came to Swami. Whole Saturday, Swami did not talk to him. Sunday also did not talk to him. Monday morning, he had to go back to Parthi from Vrindavan. Because his wife was telling, अरे भाई बैंक मैनेजर के बहुत फ़ोन कॉल आ रहे हैं। वो समझ गया suppliers would be after him that payment. लेकिन उसके वाइफ ने कहा कि now manager is telling immediately you come, otherwise there will be a problem for you. वो गया, जैसे घर पहुंचा मैनेजर को वापस फोन आया, भाई प्लीज अर्जेंटली यू कम सर। वो स्वामी को प्रार्थना करके, चलो स्वामी अभी देखना है जो होगा। वो जैसे गया बैंक मैनेजर ने बोला, सर प्लीज साइन हियर, दीज डॉक्यूमेंट्स यू हैव टू साइन, अदरवाइज हाउ डू आई प्रोसेस? व्हाट? सर फ्रॉम USA somebody since yesterday is telling me, please accept 30 crores of rupees. How can I accept unless you are there? Please sign this paper immediately, I'll telex it and it will be in our account here. He signed किया, और मैं तो खाली मैंने अगले महीने के लिए पूछने गया था स्वामी से, ये तो मेरे को more than 2 years 3 years का कोटा दे दी पहले ही। वाह! सो दिस इज हाउ स्वामी वर्क्स। एक बार ऐसे कर्नल जोगाड़ाव भी थे, वो जब तराई वृंदावन बन रहा था तो उनको पेमेंट करनी थी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स को। सुबह में गए, स्वामी पेमेंट नहीं है, व्हाट शुड आई टेल? these people, I have told them with the material I have to make the payments. तो उसने बोला कि Swami was quiet, listening to him, reading, opening his letters, reading quietly. Swami, what should I tell them? Then Swami के पाँव के नीचे हमेशा फुट स्टूल रहता है. तो स्वामी ऐसे सॉरी ऐसे मारा, वो फुट स्टूल टूट गया. इसके लिए मैंने जोर से मारा, वो इतना जोर से स्वामी ने मारा था, वो टूट गया और heap of new notes came up. He said, take it, go and give it to them. Exact amount, whatever payments he had to make. So Bhagavan is beyond our imagination, beyond our understanding. Only our duty is to surrender ourselves to him. He will take care. आप लोग इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हो, don't worry. He is doing it. We are merely the instruments. That you are God. Why do I forget? When you are physically sitting, everybody knows. When you are little away, so I forget, Swami. Please. Thank you, sir. Yeah. So मैंने स्वामी जी से पूछा, स्वामी मैं क्यों भूल जाता हूँ? स्वामी जी ने कहा, अरे तू क्या अपने को विश्वामित्र और वशिष्ठ से भी ऊपर समझते हो? वो भी माया में रामचंद्र को समझते थे कि वो बच्चा है, उसको मंत्र सिखाते थे और फाइट करना सिखाते थे, तो तू क्या उनसे बढ़कर समझता है? ऐसे नहीं स्वामी, मैं उनसे कंपेयर नहीं करता हूँ अपने को. Why do I forget that you are God, when especially when we are away from you? He said, see, तुम्हारी वासना, पास पिछले जन्मों की वासना बहुत है. स्वामी वो तो मैं अभी कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, जो है सो है. अभी बताइए मैं क्या करूँ? इसे जो फूड आप खाते हो उससे मोस्ट part of it goes to the waste. Grass. Subtle part of the food becomes muscles and blood. Subtlest part of the food becomes your thoughts, mind. So you should be careful to eat sattvic food. And he himself said, sattvic food doesn't mean curd, rice and vegetables and fruits. No. Sattvic food has different dimensions. How the food ingredients are procured, with what money you have purchased, that determines whether it is sattvic or not. Who cooks the food, uski thoughts food में जाती हैं. Who serves the food, uski thoughts food में जाती हैं. So be careful, always sattvic food. And he said, सात्विक फूड मुंह से जो डालते हो, मोर इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज जो मुंह से बाहर निकलता है, आपकी स्पीच, वाक. इट शुड बी स्वीट, सॉफ्ट. इट शुड नॉट बी हर्टिंग एनीबडी, शुड नॉट बी टेलिंग लाइज. सो वो ख्याल रखो टंग का. देन ही सेड, फूड इज नॉट ओनली थ्रू माउथ. व्हाट यू सी इज अ फूड थ्रू आईज. व्हाट यू हियर, food through ears. Touch, taste, smell, all these things have impact on your mind. Be careful. ऐसे स्वामी जी आपकी ग्रेस से सब ठीक हो सकता है. He said, my grace is there. तुम्हारा जितना वेसल है, वो वेसल में भी होल्स हैं, आउटलेट्स हैं. ग्रेस जाता है, वो बाहर निकल जाता है. ये बंद करो. ऐसे which outlets, क्या तुम खाता है, क्या देखता है, किससे मिलता है, क्या पढ़ते हो, क्या रीड करते हो, क्या टीवी देखते हो, मार्केट में इधर उधर क्या देखते हो, सब ये these are outlets of my grace. ये बंद करो, then my grace will be so much that your willpower will become very strong. Then you'll never forget that Swami is omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. Say, wow, Swami, बहुत अच्छी बात बताई. So it is a challenge to all of us. It's simple. It is a little difficult initially, but it is not impossible. Then one more. Students are there. So I recall one student. He was instrumental in making the computer room, computer center. वो बना के, he was engineer, software engineer, hired by some other person from Delhi. After completing, Swamiji gave them all namaskar. There was a young boy. So he held Swami's feet, Swami, and looked up. Swami said, what? What do you want? Swami, I want to do MBA in your college. I said, Acha, ठीक है. Registrar, you make him fill up the form and complete the formalities and give him a seat. वो बना, आ गया MBA करने के लिए. बड़ा अच्छा लड़का. He had seen the world outside. He knew the value of Swami's teachings. So very good boy, very intelligent. वो एक just a lighter way, उसने एक सॉफ्टवेयर मंगाया USA. वो ज़माने में स्कैनिंग वॉज नॉट ईजी, बट उसने सॉफ्टवेयर मंगाया. इफ़ यू साइन सिग्नेचर, पुट योर सिग्नेचर, वो स्कैनर जब अभी जो बार कोड रीडर जैसे होता है, वो छोटा सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट लाया था. यू रीड दैट एंड बेस्ड ऑन द सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम विच ही हैड ब्रॉट फ्रॉम स्टेट्स, इट विल रीड योर पर्सनैलिटी, कि हाउ मच anger you have, and because depending upon signature it determines ego, determination, your confidence, self-confidence or not. It's a well-known thing. To a large extent you will get the good output about the personality of a person who is signing. So बच्चे हमेशा उसके पास जाते थे, मुझे भी करने दे, मुझे भी करने दे. एक बच्चे को शरारत मन में आई गई. उसका बर्थडे था. स्वामी ने फोटो पे साइन करके दी थी, स्वामी का फोटो, विथ लव बाबा. लड़का वो सिग्नेचर स्कैन करा रहा है. You know what came out? Very joke is a joke, but it's a truth. It came out most egoistic person. If you see, the divine ego is the highest. लॉर्ड कृष्णा नहीं बोलता था आई एम द बेस्ट वॉरियर, आई एम द बेस्ट फ्रेंड, आई एम द बेस्ट सन. अरे सब तू ही बेस्ट है यार, इतना ईगो है तेरे को. सी इट इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर आफ्टर who had written, but what came out was right. Nobody can compare himself with the Lord. He is the highest, because actually he is the doer. So कैसे नहीं होगा? That means his software program was very good. Now the same boy, after finishing MBA, जॉब के लिए, although he was engineer, software engineer, but he wanted a job now after MBA. He applied some places. One place, although he didn't have much experience, only as an engineer, but after MBA no experience, उसको तो भी बुलाया गया. वो ऑफिस में गया, मैंने जहाँ इंटरव्यू थे उधर 6 जने थे, including him, all candidates to be selected. One seat was there. Advertisement clearly था कि so many years experience he did not have. फिर भी उसने अप्लाई किया. उसका कॉल आया, इंटरव्यू कॉल. वो गया, बैठे थे लोग, और फिर 8 बज गए, 8:30, 9 बजे तक कुछ नहीं हुआ. वो रिसेप्शनिस्ट के बाजू में बैठे हुए हैं, बड़ी ऑफिस थी. तो एक जने ने IIM के थे, कोई कहाँ का था, ऑल ओवर इंडिया के. तो बोले कि भाई कभी होगा इंटरव्यू? 1 hour वी हैव बीन सिटिंग एंड अभी तक तो यू हैव नॉट कॉल्ड अस. देन शी सेड वेट, आई विल कॉल द बॉस. बॉस को कॉल किया, उसने फ़ोन रखा, बोले कि वेट. स्नैक्स एंड टी कॉफ़ी उनको दे दिए, टाइम पास. boss is little busy, he will call you people. 11 बज गया, 11:30, few people became restless. फिर उसने बॉस को फ़ोन किया. बॉस ने बोला कि take them for nice lunch, separate section for the VIPs. लंच दी गई. लंच के बाद आ गए. 2 बजे, अभी तक कोई कॉल नहीं आया. 3 बज गए. One person said, "Madam, if the boss doesn't have time, we also don't have time. I have some other appointments," because he was quite experienced. So I have some other appointments, I'm going. Then she called up the boss. Boss said, send him. He went there in the cabin of the boss. In few minutes he came out. And very irritated mood, he went away. And he told his another junior person, that person was also from IIM. He said, "Arey kuch nahi hai, ye eyewash hai yaar. They would have already selected and they want to show that they have taken the interview. Kuch nahi, tu bhi aaja." Then the phone call came, send that boy. That boy went. 3rd, 4th, 5th. Every candidate was going. After a few minutes, coming back. Then, now our student, MBA student, he was seated. Last, he was called. When he went there, met the boss. He said, "You are so and so." "Yes, sir." And this is, he wanted to show his credentials and certificates. No. You are selected. Selected? "Sir, you have not spoken to me. You have not even seen my papers. I'm selected." He said, "Yes, but you have to take interview. Since morning 8 o'clock, then what it was? It was an interview." The interview. There was CC camera to observe your behavior. And for the job I'm looking for, that little bit experience is okay, but I want to see how much patience the candidate has. Then he said, "By the way, which book were you reading? All, since morning." Then he showed him Satya Sai Baba's. He said, "Who's he?" "He's my Guru, God." And then he said, "What chapter intensely you were reading?" "I was observing." "Sir, on 3 P's. Swami has given, manager should have 3 P's. Purity, patience and perseverance." Oh. Then he said, "Sir, little bit patience I had and I got job. And when we put all the 3 P's into action, we don't need anything." Arey, wow. "Who's this? Which college you came from?" "Shri Satya Sai Institute." That's how it went. Even little bit we put teachings into practice, you don't know what rewards are waiting for us. Okay, another nice thing, he said, because you people come with worldly desires, that this desire should be fulfilled. Initially, I do that because that is the obstacle on your spiritual path. But you should remember, Swami is Sat Chit Anand Swarupa. If you come with any other desire, soon you will find that I don't fulfill all your worldly desires. When you find that, when the devotee finds that worldly desires are not being fulfilled, he runs away from me and I don't care. You should always ask for me Sat Chit Ananda, Ananda, bliss, happiness. Nobody else will be able to give you. Only God gives you. And Swami said, the true happiness lies in union with God. What is union with God? Not physical attaching oneself to the body of Lord. Understand who is God and always be united, meaning always see His omnipresence, omniscience. And still at higher level, God is nothing but this life force, the existence, awareness, Atma, love, whatever you call it, Paramatma. All these are names given by the individuals, we. But He is the consciousness, pure awareness. Be constantly in touch with Him, flush with Him, that He is always there, He is watching me. Not out of fear, out of pride. That universal power is with me. Just spontaneously came out from my mouth. Are, Sheikh of all the Sheikhs has told me that you come back in a month's time, let me see which Sheikh prevents me from going away from this country. So, when whole power of the whole universe is with us, why do we bother? Have that conviction. Then people will not go away from Him. Then another time, this is a little personal, but I mean for the teachers, but okay. Once Swami came and almost blasting all the teachers. And 2-3 things happened, but I'll tell you about in connection with this first. Why don't you people put into practice what I tell you? Then I said, Swamiji, because always other will, it happens in like a form boy. So I was not a form professor, but other professors say, tum bolo, Swami ko bolo yaar. So I told told Swami, Swamiji, to put into practice, we need your grace. My grace is there. Tum use nahi karta hai. Swami, to understand and use your grace, we need extra grace. He said, what about human efforts? I said, Swamiji, human efforts also we can put only when your grace is there. Then others were, pinching me, Are tu chup kar, Swami ko irritate kar raha hai tu. All, whatever he was telling, Swami, without your grace, nothing. It's all your grace. So, then he said, you people do not have a sense control. You go in the staff quarter, jao, तुम्हारा टेरेस पे 14 एंटीनास लगा है, 14 एंटीनास लगा हुआ है, जाओ देखो. बच्चों को बोलता है कि टीवी मत देखो, टीचर्स टीवी देखता है. सेंस कंट्रोल नहीं है. फिर मेरा मुंह बंद हो गया. एंड लेटर ऑन I really went and saw 14 antennas were there. मेरे घर में नहीं था. So he is omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent. फिर भी पता नहीं क्या हुआ मुझे उस दिन हिम्मत रख के, स्वामी जी, you think that we can have a sense control? We need your grace for everything, Swami. Then स्वामी जी बोलता है ना, इतना इंटेलिजेंट, you can't beat him. Worldly way also, very intelligent, but all good for us. He said, hey, you come. Jump मार के स्वामी के पास गया. He said, देखो, you are teaching in the class, talking about Swami, making the boys happy. I am very happy with you. I said, Swami ji, I am talking not about myself. मैं जो argument कर रहा था, I know. Swami, सब teachers, we are together. We are in a group. We should progress all together. He said, on a spiritual path, very divine secret, huh? On a spiritual path, as a group, you can progress up to one point. Beyond that point, you have one-to-one relationship with God. So, you be happy. you will not do anything which will displease me. Because something had happened. Swami used to always catch teachers. Teachers are like overhead tanks. Students are like the taps. Water in the overhead tank comes in the water in the taps. Water, if it is good, it will come good in the taps. The students will be good. If water in the overhead tank is dirty, the water in the taps, that is the students, also their behavior, their character will not be good. So he used to always tighten the teachers. This is how we have to remember that हम लोग जो भी साधना कर रहे हैं साथ में, finally we have to do our individual sadhana, put into practice whatever Bhagavan says. At certain points we may even disagree among each other, but if you are convinced, he will keep on guiding you from within and you proceed according to that. Then in that connection only, once Swami said, see, God is only a signpost. तुम बोलेगा Bangalore जाना है, he will show you Bangalore is in this direction, but you have to walk, you have to go. Bangalore नहीं आता, तू Bangalore जाता. हम बोलते हैं गाड़ी में हम लोग गए और Bangalore आ गया. Bangalore नहीं आता, तू जाता. Swami correct. He said, yes, if you pray, then based on your past karma, if the path to reach the goal is laden with stones, pebbles, and even thorns, मैं आके उधर सफाई नहीं करेगा. I'll give you safety shoes. Walk you have to. Then according to your karma, if you have to walk under scorching sun or rain, I'm not going to remove the natural things, sun from your head. I'll give you an umbrella, but walk you have to. Another extremely good example Swami gave. Each life is like entering into a big hall. Hall is dark. It's filled with furniture. There's one entry, one exit. And you come. When you come in, you'll hit against a chair, table, something lying on the ground, and you will be troubled. Then you cry. Then you pray to me. I am not going to come and remove the furniture to make your path to exit. No. मैं आके वो रूम अंधेरा है, means in our life there's a darkness. I'll come and switch on the light. Then you have to find a way out. So switching off, he will do. ज्ञान वो देगा. But we have to pray to him. Little personal interviews with Bhagavan, family. Once my mother, who was quite old, I was in Parthi and mother was in Mumbai. She developed severe health problems, and my sister, who is sitting here, she sent a telegram. Those days there were no telephones, only 2 telephones, landline in the whole of Parthi, one post office and one inside ashram. So she sent a telegram which I received after 2 days, that mother's health serious, doctor says you come and see her. So मैं अभी नया ज्वाइन किया था, तो वो टेलीग्राम लेके मैं भगवान को दिखाना चाहता था. से स्वामी जी, what? स्वामी जी, telegram. What do you want? What? Swami, can I go to Bombay? Why? स्वामी जी, माँ को देखना है. क्या? स्वामी, माँ को देखना है. अरे तू क्या माँ को देखेगा, मैं देखेगा. You understood how he played the pun? तू क्या माँ को देखेगा? How, what you will see mother, I will look after her. At the same time, she went with the symptoms to the doctor. Doctor is here. I don't think he's present here. Dr. Anil Habu in Bombay, he was practicing. Then she went to the doctor giving the symptoms that these are the doctors. Doctor, this mother is sinking, and one or two questions he asked. And he said, immediately go in a taxi and give this medicine to your mother. She ran, went and gave that medicine. Believe me, I would say about nearly 11, 12 years she lived after that also, which doctor had given up. After quite some time, she came to Parthi and she had a frozen shoulder for quite some time. And we all told her, Mother, you come have Swami's darshan. Swami can cure anything and everything. So she came, she remained for quite some time, I think several weeks. Finally, my elder brother, he came. Now we are feeling very lonely without mother, and I have come to take mother back. Then, supposing tomorrow morning, next day they were to go back. Previous night, Swami comes in dream of my tiny daughter that tell your father, sit in the front and tell that mother has come. Mother is going and I'll give you interview. I'll call you for interview. So, wow. So, daughter told me this, went and sat in the front after finishing darshan. Then Swami said, before Swami could say anything, I said, Swamiji, mother has come. He said, mother aaya kya? Mother in love. Actually, I didn't know much. My mother-in-law also had come. So mother and mother-in-law. हाँ स्वामी दोनों भी आए. हाँ बुलाओ. So he called us for interview. Then moment we went, Swami came closer to my mother and said, माँ जी बहुत दर्द है. He kept rubbing her shoulder. And तुम बेटे को बोलता है, देखो इतना टाइम में आया, वो स्वामी देखा तक नहीं, मेरा अभी तो दर्द भी नहीं गया, आज तो मुझे वापस जाना है. तो नहीं माँ कुछ नहीं. So like that he was taking care of us. Finally the time came. A wonderful story about mother. She was quite ill. This happened in 86 till 98. Mother was with us. 98, she developed complications. And my brother, who was in Dubai, he came to see mother. And she was not talking. But one day, he rang up. By that time, in the hostel, we had the landline. So he called me up in the hostel saying that, Arey, mother is able to talk. So I said, okay. I talked to mother. Mother, shall I come to see you? She said, no. Mother, no, you be there. You are doing Swami's duty. But mother, I want to see you. No. You will spend money from your pocket. You don't take from anyone. So I don't want you to spend Swami's money on this. Then third, your health is also not good. So you don't travel. Phone rakh liya. Mother. Finally, day came. Then they said that please immediately come. It was a Friday, one Friday, and immediately you come. I went and booked the ticket, railway ticket, and I got the ticket for Saturday, which will reach on Sunday. And return for Tuesday. I got it booked. Return ticket also. Swami came darshan time. Swami ji, mother को देखने के लिए. स्वामी बोले हाँ 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 देखो तुम्हारा मदर उधर बैठा है, बोलती है भाग्या भाग्या भाग्या, मैं तेरे को देखना चाहती हूँ. So actually what he said, उधर देखो इंटरव्यू रूम के बाहर such a nice beautiful old lady, elderly lady, very grey, total silver grey hair, cute, thin, must be same age as my mother. So I said, for a moment I thought, oh, mother has really come here. So then he said, कभी जाता? स्वामी कल सैटरडे को जाऊंगा. कभी वापस आएगा? स्वामी सैटरडे जाऊंगा, संडे पहुंचूंगा, एक दिन देख के मंडे उधर से निकलूंगा, ट्यूसडे वापस आ जाऊंगा. इसे कौन सा ट्यूसडे? When Swami is asking question like this, दाल में कुछ काला है. So I didn't answer. हाँ हाँ जाओ जाओ जाओ. I went there. I took buns, bakery buns, Parthi bakery buns, bag full of it, because in the train I would prefer to give some eatable rather than cash to needy people when they come. And that too also ask them, do you want, will you eat? Yes. So now last one bun was remaining. I put it in my briefcase. I had the upper sleeper deck. So, and it was 9:15 or so in the night. And then I was about to retire, one tall gentleman came. He said, कुछ खाने को है, खाने के लिए कुछ है? In the train, running, fast running train. I said, बाबा एक बन है, आप खाओगे तो मैं दूं. हाँ लाओ. I opened the briefcase. Okay Swami, your wish. I thought I will give it to my mother. She loves to soak that bun with milk and I enjoy feeding her with a spoon. ठीक है आपकी मर्जी. I gave the bun. In moments I found the gentleman wasn't there. Running train, where did he go? I went and checked with all the toilets. Running train, he cannot jump. Very strange. I got down next day, noon, railway station. My younger brother was to receive me. He wasn't there. Instead, his brother-in-law, he came. I said, where is brother? चलो बाद में बताता हूँ. गए. Driver was seated in the car. I said, brother किधर है? चलो. चले. He said, your mother is with Swami. तेरी इच्छा स्वामी, जो प्रभु, जो आपकी इच्छा. गए उधर. Body was waiting for me. And I had taken two things. One tirtham. Swami had taken water from the glass. And one gentleman, he said, Bhagya sir, you give me always homeopathy medicine. In that homeopathy bottle, today I am giving you something you can never get otherwise. Swami took water from the glass after the discourse and little bit this for you. I said, wow. I'll certainly go and give it to mother. And laddu prasadam. So when they showed, I just touched her chin and water went in and put a little bit of laddu and mouth was closed. I said, yeah, come on, mother, I have given you permission. Thank you for your blessings. And then after doing all necessary things, in the evening Swami comes and tells my wife, where is Bhagya? Swami has gone to Bombay in such and such purpose. कभी आता? Swami आपको तो बोल के क्या है? Tuesday. कभी? Tomorrow. Then she rang me up, Swami wants you tomorrow. I came. Fortunately at that time direct flight was there from Bombay to Puttaparthi. I came. Evening में आके दर्शन पे बैठा. स्वामी जी बोलते हैं, हाँ कैसा था मेरा ड्रामा? तेरे लिए भाई सब ड्रामा है. Because that was also drama. Swami took as a Shri Baba bun from me and it reached him. And all the Tirtham, and because that was thought in my mind, Swami, if I give this Tirtham to mother, you will not give her another birth. So, yo ho gaya. He said, कभी तुम्हारा ब्रदर्स किधर है? स्वामी वो तो इधर है, कभी आ सकता है? स्वामी 13 के बाद. ओ 13th, दिस 13 फरवरी. अभी वो कहता है कि ठीक है. सो सबको मैंने बोला आ जाओ भाई, स्वामी विल कॉल अस फॉर इंटरव्यू. सो गए अंदर इंटरव्यू रूम में, और सिस्टर रो रही है, ब्रदर रो रहे हैं, सब रो रहे हैं. स्वामी से ऐसे डेथ का दुख कभी नहीं करना है. डेथ इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. हाउ यू लीव द वर्ल्ड, दैट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट देन हाउ यू केम इन द वर्ल्ड. शी थ्रू लाइफ kept chanting Ram, 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 Ram. Then my younger brother was telling, Swami, she was telling Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Hey, Ram, Sai Ram, ek hi hai. Then you should be happy that she merged in me. He kept on materializing, ring for my elder brother, ring for my younger brother, ring for my brother's son. And one son, second son. He was so happy. He said, you should feel happy today. Now, that interview, my brother, elder brother, asked Swami, Swami asked, हाँ तुम्हारा बिजनेस कैसा है? स्वामी ठीक नहीं है, लेकिन मेरी दौड़ी तेरे हाथ. ऐसे हाँ तुम दौड़ी देता तो मैं लेता, कभी देता कभी वापस लेता, कभी देता कभी वापस लेता. So that we have to surrender totally. One more. My younger brother, he said, Swami ji, आपकी ग्रेस चाहिए. We are in difficulties. He said, मेरा ग्रेस है, तुम यूज नहीं करता. He said, देखो टेबल पे पोटैटो चपाती रखा हुआ है, तेरे को भूख है, तुम सिर्फ बोलेगा पोटैटो चपाती, पोटैटो चपाती, पोटैटो, तेरा भूख जाने वाला है. उठाओ, काम करो, हाथ से लो, मुंह में डालो, चबाओ, फिर डाइजेस्ट मैं करता है, स्ट्रेंथ में देता है. So that's a way, all these small interactions, they are very useful. They are not just at that moment मेरे को खुश करने के लिए, पटाने के लिए. No. Maybe one more or एक बार ओपनिंग सेरेमनी थी हमारे कॉलेज की. आई रिमेंबर 15 जून 1987. वो टाइम समर कोर्स नहीं होता था. स्वामी यूज्ड टू गिव अस डिस्कोर्स एंड वी स्टार्ट द सेशन एकेडमिक ईयर. उस दिन स्वामी ने बोला कि आई हैव गैदर्ड यू ऑल. द डिग्री इज ओनली द कैरेट, but actually I brought you here to lift you up spiritually, the character building. And is it all these knowledge, that chemistry, physics, mathematics, MBA, they are branches, but the root of all the knowledge is self-awareness, knowledge of the self, Atma Vidya. एक्चुअली उसके लिए आप लोग बुलाए गए हैं. देन ही सेड हियर टू थिंग्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, जनरल नॉलेज एंड कॉमन सेंस. कॉमन सेंस इज हाउ टू डू राइट थिंग द राइट टाइम इन द राइट वे. जनरल नॉलेज, नॉलेज ऑफ द आत्मा. सो देन he gave an example. He said, when you join a military, army, they will employ you. Basically, you should be good in your profession. And supposing they want to employ a doctor, you should be best doctor, engineer, best doctor, best engineer. That is. And second thing, you should follow two things which they teach you. What? One is march past, left right. Another, how to shoot. So here also in this college, two most important things are common sense and general knowledge. So that is the way he teaches us that what we are supposed to learn. These degrees are just for the namesake. Such a revelation he gave about the general knowledge and common sense. Likewise, I can go on and on, but I can see many of you have to go to the far off places. Fortunately, it's not raining now, and it may take a longer time to reach your destinations, but I think my inner voice is telling enough. You are oversaturated, as I can see some of the faces. I thank you, each one of you individually and collectively, to allow me